I am shaking. Alles okay?
Zombie, man. Zombie.
We need an axe.
Ik weet
We
het.
should go to Dolina. Well, it only has a police station.
Hier, da ist zu. Wow,
We should go
okay.
inland anyway. It just restarted. 1 minute ago.
Weapon cleaning kit. Afvaren.
Oh, that's useless. Yeah, I found a ton of food already.
Yeah, me too. But I have not an opener.
Oh, I don't need one.
Okay, I'm getting chased by zombies like hell.
Bring them all to me.
Also, I am in front of the red brickstone house. Hè.
Oh, okay, me too.
Ik ben al aan, jongens.
Ik ga jetzt rein. Hallo, bist du da?
Nope.
Ist das nicht da? Da
Hi.
einer mit einem Schläger.
Yeah,
Nein, da
it's
wollte man
me,
eins
it's
holen.
me, it's me.
Oh, dat is toch...
Ja, dat is de ander!
Where is he? Where is he?
Ich komme jetzt vor auf die Straße. Er säckelt mir nachher.
Op straat? Go to the main road, everyone. Main road.
Oh, da sind noch 3 andere Noobs.
Is that the guy again?
I-
Is that the guy again?
I'm the one with the red stick in his hand, or a cuddle thing.
You're bleeding?
No, I'm not.
Who is bleeding? You're the girl with the stick in the hand.
Yes, that's me, that's me.
Okay, okay. Let's help this poor guy here, whoever that is. Just got his legs broken. Is that Dimi's just too?
Oh, more zombies. Oh mein Gott.
What? You should have seen him.
Hoe zien hè?
Dan heb ik een pijprok gehad of zo.
Nee.
Who just got his legs broken? Who was that?
Ik hoor dat zombies niet blijden.
Oh, that was Terence Hill. That was Terence Hill.
Oh mein Gott, da müssen wir dich verbinden.
Oh shit! What is going on? Oh shit!
Hij is verbindelijk, ik geloof dat is niet.
Nee, meer ook niet. Nee.
Nee, normaal een zombie.
My arm is painful. Shit.
Yeah, I'm bleeding like fuck. And I don't have bandages.
Oh fuck, neither do I.
Bandages.
Oh, now I do. Now I do. Oh no, they're ruined. Fuck.
Yeah, mine are ruined as well.
Wow, another zombie. Oh my God.
We need to find a crap ton of racks now.
And I'm dead.
Hello there. Help.
Gaan die hier zu mir praten?
Yes, yes, we can. We can. Help us, please.
Who just died in front of me?
Oh my God. Hoe veel zombies. Shit.
Okay, okay, great, thanks. Oh, but that's a lot of us, man. We are all bleeding. Come over here. Oh shit. We are getting raped by zombies.
I'm dead.
Heb je hier het dood
Damn! This is incredible.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm dead as well.
Zombie just killed me.
My God.
Oh, everybody's dead.
No, me. Nee, wil dat dat?
Hier het doodhoofd.
Nice. Oh shit. Okay, I think we're gonna think twice about the boxing zombie thing.
Oh, I'm dead.
We just completely got fucked over by zombies.
Wauw. Ja, zo gaat het gaan in deze hier.
Oh,